1 tablespoon of this can replace a ton of manure. No more spending money on expensive plant products. This mixture can replace several different fertilizers, and it costs almost nothing. It gives amazing results in the garden. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar to a bowl. Sugar boosts the amount of organic matter and encourages the growth of beneficial soil microbes. Then, add 3 teaspoons of potato starch. It's a natural source of potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, key nutrients for plant growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. It has antifungal properties, helps plants absorb nutrients, and protects them from disease. Pour the mix into a blender. Add 1 quart of cold water and blend thoroughly until the liquid is smooth and uniform. Measure out 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in about 2.5 gallons of water. This fertilizer is perfect for watering vegetables, flowers, and other plants. Your garden will soon burst with color and look absolutely stunning. Cheap, natural, and effective.